again, a lot of new traders tend to forget is that one piece of information is not necessarily enough. But you have to be able to read these different levels, whether it's having an EMA on the chart, whether it's a fib level or the VWAP or whatever the case may be, just knowing where that support resistance is or where that supply and demand is. I shared with you this morning, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I took a trade this morning and I set a deep target for a runner at a demand level. And it banged my take profit and then bounced right back up. Now it came back down and went right through it. I mean, it was, but when you see that reaction, it starts to build confidence in the understanding that all of these pieces of information are meaningful in some way, which gives you the confidence to put them together. But you've got to be able to get them on the quick.
Exactly. Think about it this way. And look at this. This is an example of a bull flag. Right now, if you don't look at the volume, you just say, okay, it's a bull flag, and you trade it, and it fails. You're like, oh, damn, why did it fail? It's a bull flag. And that used to happen to me as a brand new trader all the time. I would trade bull flags endlessly, and I would get fail after fail after fail, and I didn't understand why. It's in the volume, right? It's in the volume. So here you have your flag pull. You have big volume, you have your flag consolidation, you have small volume, decreasing volume, showing you there's just some passive profit taking going on. There's no panic selling, there's no insanity, it's just profit taking on that big push, right? And then you break out of the flag, you start increasing volume again, showing you what net buyers stepping back in, buying this move, shorts covering. So, when a short covers, it becomes a net buyer, you're getting that push higher. The higher the volume on the breakout, the more likely it is to extend. But not only that, look at what you have. You don't have only just the bull flag. You have the VWAP here, that purple line here. This is my TC2000 chart. This is actually Alphabet's chart right there. You have support, 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 all at the bottom end of the bull flag, which also happens to be your VWAP. Now you got VWAP support, you got bull flag. Now what happens here? It goes to what you were just saying. When all this couples together, why does it make it stronger? Is it just because it's VWAP? No, it's because you have a bunch of players on the field. If this was just VWAP and there was no bull flag, you would probably just have VWAP traders, because there's literally people out there who will just trade VWAP. That's it, nothing else. Right. Now you have here VWAP traders, right? There's people out there who just trade bull flags. They don't care about VWAP. It's not even on their chart. Those guys are in here trading that bull flag. And then you have people who trade it all together. Now you have those guys on here. The more players on the field, the more likelihood that VWAP bull flag zone is going to hold, and you'll get that push higher.